in the world of plastic is Summer doing here?
Oh, Raquel.
Yeah.
Did Barbie
Invite me, her coolest and most fashionable friend? Uh-huh.
She invited me, too. Her most coordinated friend. In sports and fashion.
Midge, it's super important we get there by 3 p.m. Sharp.
No, a mobile!
Agreed. Absolutely. No dilly-dallying.
Maybe after we meet up with Summer and Raquel, we can... Midge?
They were selling them by the pound. Can you believe it?
So you want to check out the Sports Mart, or the Racket Shop, or Athlete's Barn, or Cleats R Us?
Whatevs. I'll be looking at my phone. Hello? Want to have a fake conversation? You do? Me too.
You two are in violation of the Malibu Mall loitering code.
Well then, I guess we'll just be moving along. Midge, could we maybe, pick up the pace just a little?
Oh, of course.
Whoa! And by man up, you mean rehearse a choreographed dance routine and matching sequined outfits?
Oh, I hate the idea of Summer and Raquel just standing around doing nothing and waiting for us.
You're violating Malibu Mall Fashion Code 25. Failure to cover your face with oversized sunglasses.
We need to split up. Go! She went that way.
Violation of Malibu Mall rule number 99. Ratting out your friend.
He's not my friend!
What do you think? UV protective and comply with Malibu Mall Code 25. Oh, flip-flops!
Oh, I think we lost him.
I hope so. I jumped through a fountain to get away from that guy. Oh, you should have seen it.
Code 24!
Run!
Failure to yield to outrageous bargains!
I'm not gonna let anything else distract me, Barbie. I promise. Wowie! Is that a cotton candy pretzel kiosk?
We made it, and it's 2:59.
Whoa. You guys look...
Hey, I thought you were talking about them!
Busted.
Is there something I can help you with, officer?
Violation of Code 21.
What in the world?
Excessive good looks. You'll need to sign that. Thank you very much, man. Enjoy your day. Sweet. I've always wanted her autograph.
So, what's next? Rock climbing, parkour, the supplement shop?
How about a little shopping?
Yeah!
Exactly. It's gonna take a lot of hard work, so we better get started.
Whoa!